OneTick provides the low-level analytical capabilities you would expect from any database platform. But most of our capability is above this. We provide high-level analytical building blocks so customers can focus on designing their trading strategies and analyzing execution performance. The objective is to make common analytical tasks within trading and surveillance easy. The building blocks are combined interacted graphs, which are executed on the configured servers. Even if you write OneTick applications in Python, the graph is executed on the server at C++ speeds, with only the results being returned to Python as a set of Pandas data frames. This means we include building blocks for retrieving external data, rebuilding order books, calculating order book statistics, like the depth at a point in time, the price to achieve a certain size, caching frequently accessed data, rebuilding states of world and keeping them continuously updated, ignoring bad ticks, filtering data, adjusting time series for corporate actions, aggregating data both by time interval and running windows across multiple different aggregation methods, joining data including as-of joins where you want to provide a prevailing quote or book for a given execution, unioning data, preventing unnecessary duplication as we're combining different data sets together with potentially the same timestamp, pricing baskets or portfolios, pricing options or Greeks, markout generation, we're looking at price decay, transforming data from one structure to another, maintaining state across time ranges when we're building statistics and calculations, publishing data to external systems like message buses such as Kafka or AMQP, or to a fixed gateway or to Refinitiv or RFA. Analytics can be statistical or based around machine learning algorithms, and data could be in basic data types or raised to matrices for fast matrix math operations like calculating the covariance across a portfolio. We provide the capabilities and examples for building direct graphs so customers can quickly generate valuable output.